Go off course, understanding the phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, go off course. This phrase is commonly used in both formal and informal settings, and understanding it can really enhance your English comprehension and expression. So, let's dive in. The term, go off course, originally comes from navigation and travel. It means to deviate or stray from the planned or intended route. Imagine a ship or an airplane that's set to travel from one point to another but ends up moving in a different direction. That's going off course in the most literal sense. In everyday language, go off course is often used figuratively. It means to deviate from a plan, intention, or expected pattern. For example, if you're working on a project and you start focusing on unimportant details, you're going off course from your main goal. It's a versatile phrase used in various contexts, from personal goals to business projects. Let's look at some examples to better understand how to use go off course. 1. Personal plans. I plan to save money this year, but I went off course when I started online shopping frequently. 2. Academic, professional settings. The meeting went off course when attendees started discussing unrelated topics. 3. Advice or caution. Be careful not to go off course while writing your essay. Stick to the topic. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in different situations. And that's a wrap on the phrase, go off course. Remember, it's all about deviating from a set plan or path, whether literally or figuratively. We hope this video has been informative and helps you in your journey to mastering English. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.